In this guide, you'll learn how to use Blocklist Filter on Facebook. If you have been trying to figure out how to enable this feature, you are in the right place. First, you will need to launch your Facebook app. Then click on three bars given at the top left. Now navigate to the option Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. After entering the Settings menu, scroll down, head over to this section, Audience and Visibility. You're gonna find the option of Followers and Public Content. Click on that. Now, at the bottom, you're gonna find the option of Blocklist Filter. Click on that. Here you can add specific words, phrases, or emojis that you want Facebook to automatically hide from your profile. Enter the content you want to block, then tap Save, which is highlighted in the blue. When saved, the Blocklist Filter will be active on your account. That's it. This is how you can easily enable and use Blocklist Filter on Facebook. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.